Greetings, everyone. Today, I will be discussing and demonstrating a way to earn a small amount of money effortlessly, so please pay close attention and refrain from rewinding. I would like to draw your attention to the Optimism Airdrop initiative, which enables us to generate a net profit of between $100 to $2,000 without investing any capital. This endeavor has served as a significant springboard for both small and large corporations. Since its inception, the project has sponsored over $7 million in support of businesses worldwide. The crux of this earnings opportunity is to receive a small number of coins through an airdrop, and if you are fortunate, you could acquire a cryptocurrency worth up to $2,000. I want to introduce you to a simple approach to try and acquire a small amount of cryptocurrency, which, if successful, could amount to up to $2,000 in value. This opportunity has been certified by one of the co-founders of the Ethereum project based on personal experience. To get started, connect your wallet, such as MetaMask, Coinbase, or others, to the website. Once your assets have been verified, be aware that the airdrop algorithm scrutinizes your wallet activity, so attempting to win with an inactive wallet lacking history will not succeed. If you are successful, the coin will be deposited directly into your wallet, which you can then safely retain. The coin landed in my wallet balance after a period of time. I recommend that you do not waste time hesitating and partake in the airdrop while it is still available. Goodbye. I wish you successful profits on Optimism Airdrop.